In today's video, I'm going to show you a product that actually blocks water stains. As you can see, this ceiling has a bunch of yellow water stains on it. I repaired a pretty good size water damaged area and replaced the drywall, and then I skim coated the ceiling, which revealed all these water spots that you couldn't see before. But either way, if you have water spots on your ceiling, you're going to want to watch this entire video. Also, keep in mind that a latex primer, even if it says stain blocking primer, will not get rid of yellow water stains. You need an oil-based stain blocking primer to be able to not see yellow through a white ceiling or wall. Priming with this oil-based stain blocking primer is just like painting, except it's oil-based, so cleanup is with mineral spirits or paint thinner. Water will not do it. You also want to keep the area well ventilated and maybe even put a fan blowing out the window because it does have strong fumes that can run through your house. Turn your air conditioner off so it doesn't get sucked throughout your house, and always wear a respirator when using oil-based paints or primers. These spray cans of Kilz are great, especially if you just have a single or couple water spots on your ceilings. You can just spot stain blocking primer those before you paint, and they work just as good as the 1 gallon cans of Kilz. I'm Peck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.